Hi Stellars! Welcome back to Tartala PH. Meron po tayong general love reading para sa ating mga Taurus friends, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. So, meron po tayong needle and thread. Sabi doon, a sincere wish will be granted. Unicorn, use your intuition to make beneficial changes. Meron naman tayong surprise. Romantic surprises are on the horizon. Be open to them. And sabi dito sa mirror, be mirrors to each other, reflecting the truest selves. So, nakikita ko guys, meron talagang magpropose sa inyo, no? It's very, very much positive energy or hindi lang proposal, pero it's a confession of love and also an offer of love. Kung merong mag-aaya sa inyo ng date or mag-aaya sa inyo lumabas, no, get together, ganyan, mag-hangout, ganyan. So, parang parang very positive yung energy na to, no? Sinasabi lang ng universe na use your intuition. Kung nakita mo naman na sincere yung pag-ask ng tao, yan, or very in a gentle manner, very respectful manner, then push mo nyo na yan, guys. Push nyo na yan, Stellars. This is the right time for you to be very, very happy. Yan. So, use your intuition and you will see naman kung sino talaga yung nagsasabi ng totoo o hindi. You would know kung totoo sila sa sarili nila o hindi. So, doon nyo lang malalaman yan kapag nagkasama na kayo or nag-hangout na kayo ng mas madalas. So, yun lang, Stellars. Thank you so much, Taurus, for watching this video.